Well, the kiln is done firing to a nice toasty cone 6. And it's still glowing inside. It'll be all nice and cooled down by sometime tomorrow morning. And sometime tomorrow afternoon I'll find out how well the mushrooms work.
My roommate and fellow YouTuber, Dancing Rain,
Hey, yeah.
has experiments in here that they are patiently waiting for, so... Yours?
Still warm.
Slightly, but not unhandleable. There you go.
Ooh. Fresh out of the kiln from T.B.A Ceramics, I have the 3 test pieces. And a blacklight. Okay, my camera's having a little bit of a hard time trying to work in the dark with the UV filter. This is the mushroom coated with europium carbonate and then zinc-free clear. And it glows a nice red. This is a lot more visible to the naked eye than it is to the camera. This is the one coated in terbium carbonate. The top had zinc-free clear glaze. The bottom had the super clear glaze that contains zinc. And the bottom of the mushroom seems to be glowing more than the top. To the naked eye, it's visibly fluorescent green on both parts. The camera only seems to see the green on the stem. This is the test goblet. The inside's glowing nice and drippy red because I let the europium carbonate drip down as it was suspended in water when I applied it. It has some of the drippy effects on the sides too. I'm not seeing any green fluorescence on camera from any of the terbium I tried to apply. But at least the europium shows up. Well, I would call this a partial success. The europium covered mushroom definitely fluoresces bright red. The terbium covered mushroom, there's green fluorescence that I can see, but it's really faint and the camera has a hard time picking it up. As for the goblet, the drippy effect with the europium, that turned out pretty cool. I'd like it to be a bit brighter though, so next time I mess around with this, I think the lessons learned are: 1, the oxides and carbonates should be ground up more finely so that they disperse better, and I can get a slightly larger quantity of them onto the pieces. 2nd, it's probably going to work better if I actually mix the pigments into the glaze instead of trying to stain the clay body with them. So sometime later this week I should have 3 more metals coming that I can experiment with: samarium, dysprosium, and thulium. This should give me an orange from the samarium and 2 different shades of blue from the dysprosium and thulium. And those will be in an upcoming episode, along with experimenting with mixing the pigments directly into a glaze rather than staining them onto the clay body. So hopefully future episodes will produce nicer results than this. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. If you know someone else who would enjoy this, hit share. And throw me a few coins on Patreon or PayPal to help me make better videos. See you next time.